Hello everyone and welcome to our another episode of LinkedIn Tips. I'm Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So today we will be speaking about non-profit and how to create a LinkedIn page for your non-profit organization. LinkedIn is a great place for professionals in the profit sector, but non-profit organizations should not sleep on it either. Having a LinkedIn page is always worth it. It allows your non-profit to connect with a larger audience, share your mission, and foster partnerships that help you grow. A LinkedIn page helps you connect with potential donors, corporate sponsors, and volunteers who are aligned with your mission, and the nonprofits can use LinkedIn to share their achievements, publish updates on ongoing projects, and establish meaningful relationships with supporters from various sectors. And so how you do that is that you go to linkedin.com/company/setup/new, and here you can actually create your LinkedIn page. So you, for example, click here on the company and you just simply fill out all of the details about your organization, and then you just click on create page. How does it look like is that I usually go to home here and go to my company page, and it will look very similar like this. So you will have your non-profit organization then set on LinkedIn, and it will be really interesting for your impact as a non-profit organization. So some of the best practices for growing your nonprofit on LinkedIn is to engage with supporters and potential donors. So definitely post, reshare some of the posts also of your volunteers, of the people that work for you, and engage with the supporters and potential donors, so you can very easily also, for example, here, if you want to interact with people, then I just select my company and I can engage with the people as my company. You should always make sure that this is set up. It took me some time to actually discover that I am actually commenting as my company instead of myself on personal level. Then another really good tip is to use LinkedIn groups and events to expand your reach. So here you can, for example, look at some groups, and you can also create your own group, which is very mindful, very interesting. And the same is for the events. So you can create your own event. Here you can see, for example, some of our past events where you can then gather more people around one certain topic, and you can promote webinars, fundraisers, and awareness campaigns. So, for example, these events can attract a larger audience and encourage participation from people outside your immediate network, because it will show on the homepage. People can, for example, reshare it, write about it, etc. So it's a very good way to do so. And that's it. This is about the non-profit. So if you have a non-profit organization, definitely don't sleep over it. It's a very great way to reach to the people. And I'm Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivier Ltd. And if you want to get some consultation about the branding or a LinkedIn page or other platforms, marketing funnel, etc., then get in touch. Here, just click on the button and let me know what you need help with, and I can do that for you. So I will be looking forward for another episode to see you there. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification so that you can receive the next episode on the next time. Bye.